Here we are at Contra Costa Powersports, and today we have our 2009 Honda CRF230M. That's the Supermotard, and it's got these really cool Continental twin duro tires on it. Nice little air-cooled 230 electric start, 5-speed. Come by. This thing's got a really cool pipe on it too. It's not going to be here long. Only $34.99. We have financing. We have extended warranties. Come on by and make your twin duro Supermoto dreams come true for just $34.99. Check us out on the web, www.contracostaps.com, where at any given time we have 30 to 40 beautiful, clean, used bikes in stock. Thank you from Contra Costa Powersports.